The truth about passive income, myths versus reality. What if I told you that passive income isn't as passive as you think? What if the dream of earning money while you sleep is just that? A dream. Or is it? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're busting some of the biggest myths about passive income, and trust me, the truth might surprise you. I know you've heard all the promises. Set it and forget it. Get rich in your sleep. Earn money on autopilot. But is it really that simple? Let's dive into the reality and see what passive income really means in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to make smarter, more informed financial decisions. Decisions that could change your financial future. Stick with me, because there's one myth we're going to debunk that could flip everything you thought you knew upside down. Point 1. The myth of set it and forget it. Let's start with one of the most dangerous myths of them all. Set it and forget it. Who doesn't love the idea of setting up a system and then chilling while money rolls in? It sounds like the dream, right? But here's the truth. Real passive income requires work, serious work. Let's be clear. This doesn't mean you're constantly working, but there is an initial investment of time, energy, and often capital to create a system that generates income. Think about it. You've heard about people making money from real estate, stocks, or even online businesses. Well, guess what? Most of them didn't set it and forget it. They put in hours of research, learning, experimenting, and some even failed a few times before finding success. Let me ask you this. If it were really that easy, wouldn't everyone be doing it? There's no such thing as a truly hands-off passive income stream. The real question is, are you willing to put in the work up front? Point 2. The myth of quick returns. You've probably seen the headlines. How I made $10,000 in 30 days with passive income. I mean, who wouldn't click on that? It's tempting, right? But here's the harsh reality. Quick returns are rare, and in most cases, they're either too good to be true or built on unsustainable models. Let me give you an example. You've probably heard of people flipping houses or making money through affiliate marketing. Sure, it can happen, but it takes time to build up to those results. Building a reliable income stream takes months or even years. It's about consistency, not instant gratification. Think about your own life. How many of the things you've achieved so far were done in a week or a month? Success takes time. If someone offers you a shortcut to passive income, ask yourself, what are they really selling you? Point 3. The reality of active thought and maintenance. Here it is. Passive income isn't truly passive, at least not in the way most people think. Yes, once you've set up your systems, whether it's a business, investments, or real estate, there's a point where they can run with minimal involvement. But here's the catch. You still need to maintain and monitor it. Here's where a lot of people go wrong. They assume that once they've set up their passive income source, they can just forget about it and let the money roll in. But things change. The market shifts. Your investments need adjusting, and opportunities evolve. Real passive income requires constant thought, adaptation, and strategic maintenance. Think of it this way. If you own rental property, you may have tenants, but that property still needs upkeep. You need to monitor your tenants, fix issues when they arise, and sometimes, yes, sometimes, have to make active decisions. If you've built an online business, guess what? It needs regular updates, marketing, and analysis. But here's the kicker. The reward, it's worth it. Because with the right systems, the effort you put in now can pay off for years. Imagine being the owner of multiple streams of income that don't require your full-time attention. Now, before you think you've got it all figured out, here's something that most passive income experts don't tell you. I'm about to drop a truth bomb. This could change how you think about your financial future. Point 4. The key to sustainable passive income. Diversification and strategy. Here's the truth. The real power of passive income comes from diversification and a well-thought-out strategy. You see, the most successful passive income earners didn't rely on just one source. They built multiple streams. Dividends from stocks, rental income from real estate, automated online businesses, and so much more. They diversified. Think of it like building a portfolio of assets. Some will need more attention than others, but when they're all working in concert, the results can be life-changing. Imagine having income coming in from various sources. And even if one stream slows down, the others keep you afloat. The best part is diversification means you aren't dependent on any single income source. It's the difference between financial freedom and financial anxiety. Are you ready to put in the effort to build your portfolio? Because that's the ticket to a truly passive future. Final thought and call to action. So here's the bottom line. Passive income isn't a magic bullet, but it's absolutely possible with the right approach. It requires initial effort, strategic planning, and continuous monitoring. But when you build the right systems, your future self will thank you. Are you ready to make the leap? Are you prepared to put in the work to create real passive income? If so, start today. The longer you wait, the longer it takes for your future to become a reality. Drop a comment below and tell me, what passive income stream are you most excited to dive into? Or maybe there's one you've already started. I want to hear from you, and don't forget to like and subscribe because I'll be back next week with more insights that'll help you take your financial future into your own hands. Your future self is already thanking you. Are you ready to take that first step?